Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview natural chemistry scale-free. What is natural chemistry scale-free? This natural chemistry scale-free prevents scaling caused by calcium and mineral hardness. It prevents metal staining and scale buildup to prolong pool equipment life, as well as preserving pool liners and finishes. Features deactivates iron, calcium, and other minerals. Highly concentrated, phosphate-free formula. Compatible with all sanitizers and pool surfaces. Product benefits. Natural chemistry scale-free prevents scaling caused by calcium and mineral hardness. It prevents metal staining and scale buildup to prolong pool equipment. Deactivates iron, calcium, and other minerals. Compatible with all sanitizers and pool surfaces. Usage directions. Initial treatment. Following the dosage recommendations listed above, add the initial dose directly to your pool. If water hardness level is above 500 ppm, parts per million, double the dosage. Routine maintenance. After initial treatment, add the monthly dose directly to pool water. As with the initial treatment, if water hardness is above 500 ppm, parts per million, double the dosage. For new, remodeled, or refinished pools, add scale-free following initial dosage instructions. Add product to pool water during filling to prevent plaster dust formation, scaling, and metal staining. Dosage. Initial treatment. 32 FL/ounces per 10,000 gallons of water. Routine maintenance. 5 FL/ounces per 10,000 gallons of water per month. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.